Just doing a video. Look what I've just found here. How unique is that? I started doing this video and then it just went off. And then my phone started doing a bit of a weird dance between lots of different things on its own. So look at that. Isn't that wonderful? I've wanted one of these for ages and I found one. That, my friends, is very special. I think I might make that into a nice necklace with some copper. That'd be lovely. Check that out. Driftwood season in the panos. Look at that though. My doggy. What are you eating? My doggy. Trying to do videos on my doggy. Look at that. There'll be them, I think they call them turkey barnacles or something that were attached to that. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Imagine that. Having that at the table or something. Leave it. Good girl. There's quite a bit. I mean, look. Dotted about. There's quite a little bit. Quite a little bit. Quite a lot of driftwood for this time of year, really. Which is amazing. I just wanted to share with you. And the beautiful view here as well. Let's put my doggy here up to the shop. It's quite nice. I love it here. It's so beautiful. Look at the hills. So lush. Adventure. It speaks adventure. Gracie, stop eating rubbish. Okay, I'll just have a seashell. No! No! Gracie, no! Anyway. I guess that's what doggies do. Come here, darling. Put me in a kiss. Just after some mussel shells for a piece of art that I sold, but a lady... What are you doing? You got stuck now. Come here, let mummy sort you out. Come here. Come here. Where are you going, Gracie? Come here. Oh, what are you doing? I've got to do this with one hand. No! That's it. That's the only thing having me doggy. She's still a little bit weird when she's not on the island. Just calm down. I've got poo in my hand as well, which is not helpful. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy it now. Let's check that out. Stunning. That's our island over there in the backdrop. She's like a mummy, look. She's like, adventure! Come on!